Welcome to the video, guys. I have basically started this channel because I've been on the journey of becoming a data scientist since the past 1 year, and I just wanted to share my knowledge and experience with you guys as well. So, a quick update is that I'm currently in my last semester of my bachelor's in computer science, and the first problem that I faced was that, what's the difference between data science, AI, machine learning, and deep learning? Now, let's go ahead and check that out. What is artificial intelligence? Basically, AI enables machines to work and react like humans. For example, self-driving cars, right? It's going to do the work similar to like how humans do it. Now, I want you guys to understand that whether we're creating a machine learning application or a deep learning project, at the end, it's going to be considered as an AI project. Hence, our final goal is creating an AI application. Now, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI. It provides us with statistical tools to explore and analyze the data. For example, we receive a data set of a country and we are told to predict the population of that country. Right now, basically, the statistical tools will allow us to explore that data and see which data is useful, which data should we consider as X, and which data should we consider as Y to predict as well. Now, there are certain techniques used with machine learning, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and semi supervised learning. In supervised learning, the past data is labeled. For example, we have two features, that's age and height, and we want to determine that if the person will be allowed to sit on a roller coaster or not. Alright. Now, unsupervised learning, there's no labeled data. We do not know the output. It's basically based on similarity, and this will group the data together. In semi-supervised learning, some data is labeled, some is not labeled. So the machine will basically learn from the past data and the data that is not known as well. Alright. Now, what is deep learning? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, giving machines the ability to learn similar to how humans learn by creating multi-neural network architecture in order to mimic the human brain. The human brain is, of course, composed of neurons. Now, there are certain techniques of deep learning: artificial neural network, convolution neural network, and recurrent neural network. Data that's present in numeric values, then we will use ANN, right? And data that's present in form of images, then we'll use CNN, and data in form of time series, we'll go for RNN, right? Now, data science applies all these techniques: AI, machine learning, deep learning. Now, in data science, you have mathematical tools like statistics, probability, linear algebra, calculus, and so on, right? Now, the involvement of the techniques basically depends on the type of use case you are given. For example, you're given a project, and that project only requires you to use artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts. So that's when you'll only take these. So that's why you've written that you will have to do it according to a use case. So when you want to go ahead to become a data scientist, you have to get your hands dirty. You have to get familiar with all three aspects: AI, machine learning, deep learning, data science. You have to get your hands dirty. You have to know everything, make certain projects as well. So with this channel, I will also be making certain projects based on AI, ML, deep learning, data science. And if you have any questions regarding anything that you don't understand, or if there's something you want to add of your own, feel free to just drop a comment below. I'll be glad to respond back to you. Thank you for your time.